Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, QQQ, SPY, gapping down huge, a little over 2%. Inflation data came out and it was not looking good. That's the reason why we have a sell-off this morning. I think the sell-off will continue. At market open, we may get an initial pop and then a fail. So going into market open, I'll be watching SPY and we'll be looking to trade SPX to the put side probably. We do have around 8 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Webull doesn't allow us to hold the SPX chart. So I'm trading SPX contracts based off SPY chart because they move very closely. Let's see how this candle closes. Don't want to jump in. Getting in, 770. Sold 2. Not just holding one contract. Selling. On the trade, making $500. The market has been open only for 4 minutes and $500 added. SPY is not moving quickly. Not ready to take it now because we have a low wick. See how SPY came back. Let's see how it responds to the EMA. We're in at 8. Not looking good. Out. Not liking how it's hesitating. We come back again. The markets are staying still. It's not making bigger moves, either to the upside or to the downside. Post 5 minute candle to make a new high. Trying to break this level. Quite possible. Coming down again. 460 I got in. My stop would be high of this candle. Like it failing. Reducing the risk. Now just 2 contracts. Yep, I'm out. It was a bit risky. Now it's hesitating to drop like it used to. Not sure why we don't have that much volume. If you take a look at SPY, 8 EMA acting as a solid resistance. Sorry, I could not capture my third trade. Not a big gain, but on the day so far, $672 in 27 minutes. I think now it's moving sideways, not giving me a definitive direction. That tells me I should call the day off and conserve my profits. So that would be it from me for today. A decent day of trading, over $670 in 28 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.